YouTubers, Scarlett and Mommy Rain here to show you how to do a very easy DIY face mask. And here I am going to do 2 layers. So I just overlapped my fabric. This template, I made my sizes myself. I'm doing an 8 by 11. And I already added the 1 inch that we're going to fold in for the elastic. So remember, cut 2. Alrighty, so here I have my fabrics cut out. I'm going to pin the length first, which is 11. And I'm going to go ahead and do a stitch going just straight across on the top and straight across on the bottom. And you're gonna leave the ends on the width part open, okay? So don't mess with those yet. But I have the top that's gonna go on the face back. Okay, now just open a side, stick your hand through it, grab the other side, and you have this really pretty, see that? I'm just gonna run a stitch on top of it so that it doesn't fold over when you're wearing it, okay? See how it's gonna hold it, and this is where one doesn't have it, so I'm gonna do two. Alrighty, here I'm doing just a little fold on the width part before I do the 1 inch fold, and that's just to help if you do have fabric that unravels. This will keep it from unraveling. You want to say something? No? Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so now I do have my inch folded and another inch folded. So because we added this, I'm gonna add a little more next time. Insert the elastic, and then I use a safety pin. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, so I'm going to do this side. So see where that line's already there? I'm just going to go over it. Okay, so here is the second one. Done and done. Already elastic time. So carefully, I use a large safety pin. Since my fold is 1 inch, it's perfect for it. And just put it in through the fold that you made and run it through. Alrighty, so pull it through, stretch it out. I say tie it like you're tying a balloon. And make sure you make the knot at the end, the closest to the end as possible. I'll show you right here as I'm pulling it up. Just like that, and then pull 10 inches. Ran it through. I did the knots, like I showed you. So with the knots, just pull them through so they hide inside of your mask, so nothing's showing. So I didn't realize until this point that I forgot to do my folds for the front of the mask. So on the next video right after this, I show you how to do the folds. Sorry about that. Scarlett's daddy really liked the mask, so it's up to you if you want to do the folds, but I'll still show you how to do the folds on the next mask.
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite. You want me to do the 2 thumbs up? Alright, promise. Just like you. Right. Where's it going? There it is! Alrighty, time to do the woman mask or a teen mask. This is a 6 by 11. That's the only size I had for this fabric, but it ended up being perfect. So again, sew the top and sew the bottom. Do not do the width. So there's that. Remember, go in, grab, and lift out. So, top part. Alrighty, so now before you do anything with the width, you're gonna do the folds. So here I did one at 4. Remember, I had a 6-inch width, so I went to 4 inches and I folded it in. And then you're gonna go ahead and pin that to hold. So this part, what it does is, when you wear it, it's gonna open in that area in the front. You're gonna pin it. Okay, so that's at 4, and then on this one, I'm gonna do the same thing going to 2 inches. So I'm gonna hold it, and then fold on 2, okay? So I'm thinking, let's put it up to my base. Alrighty, once you got your folds in there, let's do a top stitch to hold those in place.
Yeah.
After sewing it, I did a iron just to hold the creases down and make them look nice. This ravel, I'm gonna do the 2 folds. So I'm going to do the first fold here. I am going to sew it in place so then I can do the whole 1 inch. Alrighty, so I did my little fold. Now I'm doing my 1 inch fold for the elastic. And there you have it. Here is where you're gonna, again, run your safety pin and your elastic. Alrighty. So, see how, there. And you're gonna run it through. Here's the opening that we made. So for a big pin, which I think are just, you know, it's easier, do the 1 inch folds like that. Touch your ends together, right? Like that. Make sure they're the same, nothing's folded. And what I say is tie it like you're tying a balloon. And then once I get here, before I stretch anything, I push it as much as I can to the end part, because when you're alrighty, again, just pull your elastic through, attach it, and make your knot like a balloon.
Like a balloon.
Okay, so again, they're there. I'm gonna test mine out. What is? Hold on.
Mama and a baby.
What is it?
Mama and a baby.
What, doggy? Aww. Alrighty, child mask. This is a 8x9, just minus 2 inches to do your fold. So if it's at 8, you're gonna be at 6. And then from 6, you're gonna go to 4. And then pin.
Pin.
So again, we're at 2 now. So grab from where the 2's at and do a little fold. And then pin again. 1, 2, 3, and then you have your bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sew it, going across, just like we've been doing, just to hold our creases together. Okay, so there we have it. It's nice. Our little 1 inch on the sides. The middle mask for her is done, and oops, this one. And okay, so the boss says that she does not want to put a shirt on right now. So I tried it on and it feels good. She said that it feels good. So there you have it.